ThinkFour is a place to find 4-minute explanations of complicated ideas.
It is run by expert teachers from Scotland, and for now at least, we've focused our energies on some of the hardest SQA Higher topics.
We provide our own video tutorials, and we also host content from others that has been checked and uploaded. We will continue to make and host new tutorials all the time.
Everything is free and open access. Simply find the SQA Higher subject you're interested in, and then search for the topic or browse the subject pages.
ThinkFour might help consolidate things you've taken from the classroom, or it might be used as a refresher for revision, or it might just be used to start out on something new.
Our tutorials work on the assumption you are already doing a higher course and know the basics.
ThinkFour is here to help you think through difficult ideas. It's not an online school and does not replace revision.
Our tutorials also do not cover the full higher. We just focus on the tricky bits.
Use ThinkFour however best works for you and enjoy yourself.